Listen, man.
No, bro, you listen.
It's municipal code 630102 B25 and B21. Those
that
are the
what?
sections
That what?
One of them is obstructing pedestrian right of way.
Which are what?
B25.
Infractions, right?
Yeah, okay. So
they're not criminal offenses.
Here's what you need to do.
No,
man.
bro, don't
If
tell
you
me what
wanna
I need to
argue
do.
this,
Here's what you need to do. Call your supervisor.
My supervisor's right here.
Well, call him.
Street vendors are always having to deal with law enforcement. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video comes to you by way of Nicholas Zavala's channel. This guy knows his rights. He's got some good educational videos on his channel. From my understanding, he's not a street vendor. His food is an art. He's an artist, folks, and who are we to say he's not? Sometimes law enforcers respect his art, sometimes they don't, like here in this video. I like the fact that he's respectful when he's confronted by cops. He stands his ground and challenges jurisdiction and street vendor ordinances. He's in the San Diego area in California. Let's get right into the video, folks. We'll pause for some comments. Make sure to subscribe to his channel. I'll drop the links for you guys.
So these guys are currently looking up the law and what to do. I'm here, a part of this event, working here for these guys. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. Hopefully it plays out good. Yes, of course. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. Good luck with everything.
Hey, partner. I'm gonna get my phone. It's already recording you, buddy. That's fine. So back up. That's fine.
All right. Well, kiss my ass. You're not seeing shit.
Okay. Listen, man.
No, bro, you listen.
It's municipal code 630102 B25 and B21. Those
that
are the
what?
sections
That what?
One of them is obstructing pedestrian right of way.
Which are what?
B25.
Infractions, right?
Yeah, okay. So
they're not criminal offenses.
Here's what you need to do.
No,
man.
bro, don't
If
tell
you
me what
wanna
I need to
argue
do.
this,
Here's what you need to do. Call your supervisor.
My supervisor's right here.
Well,
partner.
call him. I don't need to talk to you.
I just talked to my
Call your supervisor.
partner.
Call your supervisor. Hey, supervisor, can you get your partner? He's hostile. Can you get him? He's treating me like a criminal here. They're detaining me and telling me I'm not free to go. And under no criminal offense, he's telling me it's infractions, which I'm able to leave for.
Well, hey partner. So based on what I understand, and
No, man, I don't need to run around. I need you to give me this spiel quick.
yeah, okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I do. I already presented it
Okay,
to them,
fair
and they
enough.
give it back to me.
Then let's just issue them a notice. Let's just issue.
That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, we got it here?
Perfect.
Okay,
Make
cool.
sure you tap the screen so it doesn't lock out.
Perfect, gotcha. All right.
Real quick,
What's up?
I'm gonna write
So
this
isn't
down.
this supposed to be educational first? I'm not even bending.
You're not.
I'm.
You're not listening to us. You're not listening to what anyone is saying.
How do you know?
Because
I just talked to you,
I
right?
just talked to these.
No, you
I just
didn't.
talked to them. I just
No, you
talked to
didn't.
them.
They did not tell you anything bad about me.
Like I'm saying.
No, bro, don't make up stuff. Don't make up stuff.
I think
Hey, guys, did you tell them I wasn't listening? Or like I'm not listening? I'm being incompliant? Because
That's not what he said.
that's what they said. You said that you guys
That's
are.
not what I said. Want everything to be okay.
I do too. I want to be able to drive away, but they're not letting me.
I heard that you said that you were going to go. You want to make sure that you know you get paid and everything. And
Oh, I know.
You just don't want things to go sideways because you don't have things to go sideways.
Yes. I mean, all I need is a witness, basically.
What, you said you need what?
A witness, because these guys will overstep their power and they will do stuff that's against the law. So I just need to have witnesses, basically. And they wouldn't do it here in Balboa Park. They'll do it in the city, but they won't mess around here. This is not a place that they'll play around. No, they're not gonna follow me. Cops don't do that. They're gonna write me tickets and give me all the infractions that they can, and that's what they're gonna do. But I can fight them all in court, and they can't win, basically, because I'm not doing anything illegal. They're gonna give me infractions that I have to take up to
I think it's safe to
the
film
traffic
because you never
court.
know.
I have to, yeah, for my own protection.
Do you feel comfortable leaving still? Or no?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. It's just that they're doing a lot of
witness if anything
yeah,
happens.
no, they're just doing a lot of new codes and
I think it's new, and I don't know if it's new.
it is
but
new. It
feels
started
like
at
it's
June.
new.
It started June
that's
of
not-
last year.
And that, because for our event, we want to make sure nothing doesn't go awry.
Yeah.
Either way.
Well, I mean, if it goes awry, it's up to them. It's not up to
Do you
me.
mind if I interject just real quick?
Yeah. Please, y'all are professionals.
And so I think what you're referring to is like the June 22nd beginning of the enforcement of the street vendor ordinance for
Yes.
Balboa Park, right?
No, for the whole city.
For the whole city, right?
Yeah.
For the city of San Diego, including Shoreline,
everywhere.
a
The
lot
whole
of
city.
a lot of other areas, right?
The whole city.
Unfortunately, right?
Which you guys were supposed to make entrepreneurship zones, which you never did. So you guys were enforcing this code without doing the entrepreneurship zones that you were supposed to create.
Anytime
so that way there wasn't this problem.
If you want to talk over
So you guys
me, you don't wanna
created
hear
this
me,
problem.
then I'm trying to.
I'm not talking over you. You're just
I'm
not
trying
talking.
I'm trying to explain to you.
Okay.
That this has nothing to do with the June 22nd SVO. This is a violation, right, of regular city ordinance, right?
So what am I
You
violating?
can't have a vehicle in the plaza, number one, right? You can't have your items obstructing any of these areas, right, in the plaza or any of these.
How many cops does it take to confront a non-violent street artist? Maybe they're looking to confiscate sprinkles.
So then can I just get the tickets and then go?
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Okay, well then
But
what's the
I'm trying to
problem?
I'm trying to be
There's no
responsible
problem.
and answer
I
your
just need the
questions.
tickets and to go.
Okay,
That's it.
excellent. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
So stop detaining me and just give me the tickets and let me go.
Sounds great.
Perfect.
Sorry on our part.
No, it's cool. It's not you guys. It's not you guys. It's
put you in this
this.
position.
It's
I don't wanna
this.
be-
It's this problem. This is the problem.
Listen, we put you in this position.
No, you didn't. You didn't. No,
So let's-
trust me.
let's just let 'em
I
make
put
the
myself in this.
citations.
I am also. I own pedicabs downtown. I own pedicabs. Those are mine down there downtown. I own them. So I'm trying to also start this business as well. I also have a fingerprint business for the FBI.
What, I'm asking for us. What's your name?
My name is Nicholas Zavala.
Nicholas, I'm Jill.
Yes.
Can we help you get some things wrapped up here so we don't?
No. I mean, I just
You know,
gotta
you're good at it, but I
record
just-
this whole
you
situation
guys,
just
they're
so
gonna
they
do
can.
their thing, but let us help you wrap this up so we can just thank you and send you on your way.
I like the fact that people stood around to see if they could help Nicholas when the cops surrounded him. I didn't see any of them recording, which would have been delightful to see. I guess the people will need another few years of social media training along with a better understanding of their own rights for the day that we see everybody recording cops.
Don't worry about it. I got it. I got it. Don't worry
Can we
about
help
it.
someone?
No.
Please?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Don't touch my property.
Well, I won't. But we want to help you. I want to help you. I won't touch you, even though I just did. I'm
No, I
sorry.
didn't mean me. I said my property. Like, don't touch my.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it again.
No, you're good.
No,
We
teasing.
have no problem
So,
helping wherever.
Yeah,
you
whatever we
want
can
us
help.
to
They're gonna do their
just
thing.
so-
We're gonna do ours, and we're just gonna clean it. You're good.
And
No, I
get
know.
your stress. I get your stress. But
I'm
it's-
not stressed.
Okay,
Trust
good.
me.
I
This
say
is.
that honestly from my
I love
position,
this.
It's
Alright, let's
like
go.
This is what I live for.
if you feel uncomfortable,
I did it with
I
pedicabs.
might feel uncomfortable as a person that's doing this if I was setting it up and you didn't feel comfortable
Bro,
with
trust
authority
me.
and cops.
I
and
grew up
you're
in the
facing
hood,
back to
bro.
them.
I
we
grew up
can
in
help
the
you.
Yeah.
BLM, bro. Black Lives Matter.
Can we-
Trust
can
me.
we- but how
I
can
know
we
how
help
it is.
you?
If they choked me
Nicholas,
before, bro.
how can
Put me
we
on
help?
the back of my neck, all types of shit.
I'm sorry about that. First of all,
It's
horrible.
okay. It's
but
not
how
your
can
fault.
we help you wrap this up? That's what
I
Jane
think too,
and I
we're
want to do.
waiting on
Yeah, they're
the
just waiting on us to
finish
wrap
of
it
the
up.
citation.
I know. They're trying to figure out what they can get me
Well,
for first.
they're
of
doing
all.
that, but how can we help you wrap up?
Nothing. No, don't worry about it. I'm gonna take care of it all.
Well, let's do that while they're doing their thing.
I mean,
Let's do it. I can hold your camera if you want.
yeah.
How can I help? We want to help.
I know,
'Cause
but
guess
don't
what? We have
worry
party
about
to
it.
go to, and you're-
Look, you see my permits?
Nicholas,
Health permit.
hey,
Hey,
look at me for a
business
second.
tax license.
Can you look at me for a second?
Permits.
Nicholas.
Money.
Do you know what's going on? Do you know what's going on right now, Nick? Okay.
Yeah, they're giving me infraction tickets, and then I'm free to go.
Yeah. So parking ticket, no warning. Then you're free to bounce. If you keep the car parked, I don't think you are.
No, I'm about to leave as
Okay,
soon as
cool.
you guys
'Cause
say I can leave.
That's about it.
Hey,
Yeah.
I respect you, so because you've been nothing but respectful.
I mean, I understand the frustration, but I mean, I can see through frustration that you're still respectful towards me, and I respect that. Respect.
I've been
respect.
going through it. You can
I
look
know.
it up. You can look
Hey.
it up with the port. You can look it up
Yeah.
with the city. I've been going through it, and I'm the only guy that has my licenses for everything. I showed them my sidewalk vending permit, and they got upset about it because they were like, "Shit, we can't even tell them anything." And then now they're trying to give me infractions.
Something I'd like to point out, the wealthy people always find ways to get around laws, policies, ordinances, and paying taxes. But the poor people, just making enough to survive, always have to pay for fees and other things like fines and tickets and permits. I can't say that I disagree with either one, rich or poor. Who the hell wants to make Uncle Sam richer? No hands?
For my car and my vehicle, so
Alrighty. Well, I mean, either way, it sounds like you already had the plan set up. You're gonna fight the parking ticket. Warning, easy day, no, right? So, cool. As soon as they're done, man, That'd be it.
I appreciate you,
No,
son.
of course, man.
All right. So,
It's always one good cop, you know what I'm saying?
yeah,
Just
that's
gotta
all you
hope
need.
for it. Yeah.
Hey, Nicholas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I did get your ID information from
Yes,
my
sir.
partner there.
Yes, sir.
I just got a couple questions for you to fill out on this site. What race do you identify as?
Whatever you want.
Okay. How old are you? I have your birthday. I'm just bad at math.
I am 31.
31. All right, partner. So again, 2 infractions on here. We have obstructing pedestrian access in this area, and we have vehicle with over 1 ton capacity in parking plaza. 630102 B25 for the first one, B23 for the second one. This is not an admission of guilt. This is just a promise you're going to handle it. If you don't want to handle it, it's got to be on or before April 24th, 2023 at 8 in the morning. If you wanted to appear, it's going to be at the...
And what if I don't sign? Do I go to jail?
That's a possibility. You do have to sign this, right? So this is... Wait, signing here doesn't mean you're admitting
Yeah, it
guilt.
means I promise to appear. I don't want to appear.
You can just pay the fine online.
Nicholas, I
Or you
work
can...
for defense, so I can help you. Just you're good if you sign it. I'm not. I have 13.
But I like to play this game where I don't sign it because then they get to arrest me, and then I
Yeah,
get
but that's
to.
not a fun game, dude.
It is because then I get to sue them for my property
Yeah, but
being
that's a lot of
here.
headache. When right now we can just call it a day.
You know, no, because then they're gonna crumble it up. Watch when I see what happens.
What? No.
I can show you.
Don't.
They'll crumble it up. They'll
So
crumble
like I
it
was
up.
saying, right? So you can take care of it on or before April 24th, 2023.
I'm
at
gonna
8 in the
sign it.
morning. Okay.
We're paying for this. You're not
Because
paying
of
for
her.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Right there in the red box room, please.
But I normally would not sign these things.
I'm glad you signed it today. Appreciate
I
it.
do know what I'm talking about. So he's good. You're good. And we got you.
All right, sir. And then this is going to be your copy right here. Cool. Any questions for me?
Nope. Was this educational?
That's a question
It was
for
supposed
you,
to be.
man, right?
You asked me if I had a question, buddy.
Yeah, I mean, like, do you
Nope,
feel
no smart ass
educated?
answers, bro. Go on with your day. Take care.
I think so.
I mean, as soon as the stuff's
We're gonna help
as
him,
soon as
but
the
I feel
stuff's
like
done.
this is.
Yeah.
Yep, we're done. We're done.
Cool. Nicholas, let's call this.
Cool.
Thanks, guys.
So he says he's at the event working for the folks and was invited there. He gets a ticket, has to go to court, challenge a new ordinance that started in June of that year. And on the next video on his channel, the cops do a good job and leave him alone. Why is that? Is this guy finding ways to win? That's what we as a people need to be focused on. We all learn from each other, folks. Go subscribe to Nicholas Zavala's channel. Let's go show support and learn what we can so we can level up. Thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel for auditing news. We highlight all the new channels here. Our email is recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Send us your video links. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See you guys on the next video if you hit the bell. Peace.